My name's Paul Arakelian. I'm a licensed insurance agent in the state of California, in Nevada, and in New Jersey. I'm also licensed for securities. I had a company called California General Insurance and Financial Services. We have this double personalities inside us. One of them is the logic, and the other one is just the feelings. Now, when you're talking about life insurance, or any other insurance for that matter, unfortunately, our feelings start controlling our logic because we feel that we should protect our families. We feel that we should have protection for that mortgage. We feel that in case we get disabled, we can't work, we still need to have some sort of income to pay for. So it's all feelings. And at that point, when feelings start taking over, our logic is kind of lost or left behind a little bit. So we end up buying things that in the future are going to cost us a lot more. The capital's not going to be there anymore. And if we try to renew those policies, at the end of 30 years, just look at the premiums. I know that a lot of you guys are buying these policies, term life insurance policies, and your agent says, well, because you're an existing customer of the company, after 30 years, there'll just be a little increase in the premium. Now, see, that's, again, based on feelings. You feel that you should trust your agent. I feel that you should trust your agent as well. Just the same way that I appreciate my clients trusting me, and that's a great relationship. And I think that any sales should be based on trust, and I appreciate you trusting the agent. But you have to read in black and white what the premiums may be. You have to, if you went to a lawyer at some point and say, I think I've been cheated in my policy, they're going to just look at the policy, say, well, it says here clearly, and you basically have no case. And because you signed underneath this thing, it's a contract, and you should have read this. Well, but my agent told me so, such and such. Makes no difference. You have no case. You have to have read your policy, and whatever benefits you think you have, it's supposed to be written the same way inside a contract. Because remember, you're buying a policy for the time that you're most likely, not most likely 100%, you're not there to fight over it and say, but you were saying this. Your kids are going to have a hell of a time proving things at the time of the claim, or if you don't ever come to that time of the claim because your premiums increased and you dropped the life insurance policy, now you lost it or something, you're going to have a difficult time proving to anyone that they said it will only increase about 20 or 30%, but now it's about 500-700%, or 1,000% premium increase after the initial term has expired. Now the policies become annual renewable term. Every year the premiums are going up. So I think it's a wiser decision to read your policies, understand what benefits you have,